Interns are the bloodline of our sales reps. I feel like they get to come in and they live an actual life of what our sales reps do.
They're not just fetching coffee, they are side by side with the sales team learning the ins and outs of how DOCUmation works.
They are hitting the ground running.
We recently partnered with Baylor University, Texas Christian University, and the University of North Texas. They all have professional sales programs.
They are knocking on doors, they're going on appointments, they're making phone calls, and they can excel very far with us. We've had people start in our intern program and end up running a branch in Houston, which is a huge market.
We've just poured ourselves into those programs to help those kids find careers, find a path to which they can grow and build a family one day in a career that is not just a first job, but it's a career. That's just very important that they get side by side with the sales team learning the ins and outs of how DOCUmation works.